Hello everyone, this is Mohanty from Govt.Iti Sonepur. I am a trainer with specialization in fitter trade. So in the first year fitter theory, there is a chapter which is called all about properties of material. So in the next 15 minutes, I will discuss the important properties of material according to our subject point of view. So without wasting any time, let's start and let's hear of the topic. So before going to the properties of material, first we have to know what exactly the metal is. A metal is a mineral. A metal is a mineral used in most of the engineering works. You can find in the most of the engineering works like bridges, like structural applications, like fabrication work. All of you in all the field, you can say that in all the field we have used these metals as the important application in the engineering field. Okay. So the knowledge about the metals and their properties is very much essential for a student, for a trainer, for a trainee to clarify all the doubts regarding the engineering application of material. So let's come to the important classification of properties, and the classification here is so that the classification here is properties of materials is classified into 4 important properties, which is all about chemical properties, which is physical properties, and some mechanical properties, and last, not the least, is dimensional properties. So, in our subject, we have to deal all these properties, but in the specialization in fitter trade, I will say in the specialization in fitter trade, we were very much clear about physical properties and mechanical properties. So, in this presentation, I will discuss all the physical properties, then we go for mechanical properties. So, let's come to some physical properties. So some physical properties are, some important physical properties are, number 1 is color, second number 1 is weight or specific gravity, and third number 1 is structure, and fourth one is conductivity, and fifth one is, you can say that, magnetic properties and fusibility. So let's discuss these properties one by one. First come to the important properties, which is color. That means the material, different material possesses different color. Different material possesses a different color. You can see that the color of copper and that compared to the color of bimstone. So according to the color, you can identify the material. This is the main theme behind this properties. Okay. Next, come to weight. That means the material may be distinguished, may be classified according to the weight. You can compare aluminium and steel. In case of aluminium, it is quite lighter than steel. So you can identify the material according to their weight. And I think why this aluminum is lighter than steel? There's the main reason behind this is all about specific gravity. That means the specific gravity of aluminum is quite lower than the specific gravity of steel, so that it can be lighter than steel. So next come to the important property which is called structure. You can find that in the microscopic view, you can find that the structure, the internal crystal structure of material is different. For different material possesses different crystal structure. And some example, I have given some example here. While you can see that in case of wrought iron and aluminium, it is fibrous structure. But in case of cast iron, it is granular structure. That means this granular structure, fibrous structure, it can be viewed by microscopic view only. So, according to the structure, the classification of material can be done. Next come to the important properties which are all about conductivity. That means the metal can be a conductive metal or non-conductive metal. So metal can be classified according to their conductivity. That means it can conduct heat or electricity. If it can conduct both heat as well as electricity, so it can be classified according to their conductive nature. So thermal and electrical conductivity are the ability of material to conduct heat and electricity. So the materials are classified according to their conductivity. For example, copper, aluminium, and aluminium, basically copper and aluminium are the good conductor of electricity, while the others are very poor conductor of electricity. So next come to the property, important property, which is magnetic property. Some metal which attracts towards the magnet, and some metal which does not attract towards the magnet. So if the metal attracts towards the magnet, then it has some magnetic properties. Otherwise, it could not have magnetic properties. Okay. Basically, almost all ferrous metal are attracted towards the magnet. All ferrous metal. In ferrous metal, iron is the basic constituent. Microconstituent is iron. So, in ferrous metal, it attracts towards the magnet. But in non-ferrous metal, it cannot attract towards the magnet. So, all the ferrous metal are magnetic in nature. Okay. So, next come to fusibility. Next come to the important property which is called fusibility. When the heat is applied on metal, it melts. We all know that. When the heat is applied to the metals, it melts. But the important phenomena behind this is some metal has lower melting point and some metal has higher melting point. For example, tin has lower melting point temperature, that is about 232 degrees Celsius, while tungsten has the highest melting point temperature, is all about 3370 degrees Celsius. That means fusibility property decides how the material melts, how the material catches fires. Okay, how the material, the ability to fuse. If a material has ability to fuse properly, then it can be best suited for casting properties, for welding process and casting process also. Okay, so if the fusibility property of a material is very good, then it can be taken for casting process. That means all the material which is casted has good fusibility properties. Okay, so these are all the physical properties of metals. So, thank you. In this video, we will discuss about the physical properties of metal. In the next video, I will discuss all the mechanical properties of metal. So, thank you so much for listening and giving such a wonderful time